The part that I think is particularly fun is the sound of the turbo blow off. Occasionally you'll get a fun little, psh here and there, which is certainly welcomed. As far as tech and safety, it's pretty much got all the bells and whistles. It's got the lane departure. It's got the blind spot monitors, which is nice. I will say, though, another weird thing about the interior that I've noticed is that when you have the AC on, full blast, it seems to kind of have this weird, I don't know if you guys have heard the sound of an electric lighter, but it's just this real high-pitched kind of dog whistle sound. I've noticed that it likes to do that noise for whatever reason.